So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix fast drain in Realme P4 5G. So guys, if you're facing the issue that your phone is battery drain too fast, so you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. First thing is guys, you check the battery usage and identify which app creating such type of issues. Okay, for this simply go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of battery. Okay, so here you go to the option of battery. Okay, after that guys, here you see the option of a battery app uses, and here you identify the application which creating these type of issues. Okay, then guys you move to the another step, which is you enable the power saving mode. So guys, for a few days you try enable the power saving mode, so it help you to control your battery uses. Okay, so here is your power saving mode, so you just press it and turn it on. Okay, and guys still having the issue, then guys you limit your background app. So guys, first you identify which application consume more battery. First you go settings. Okay, in the same as battery section, like here you check the application. After finding the application, just long press on the application, like phone pay is consuming too much battery, so you just long press on it, then going to the app info. After that guys, going to the option of permissions, sorry, battery uses, and guys here you restrict the background activity. So this is the way that you can fix these issues. Another thing is guys, you reduce your screen brightness. For reducing the screen brightness, you simply swap down your phone's screen. Okay, then guys you move to the next step, which is restart your phone. For restarting, simply swipe down, and guys you simply click here. Here you go, settings, sorry, just long press your side button. Okay, long press volume down button and side button both simultaneously. So guys, you use the upper volume button and down button. Okay, so you just use like this. Okay, then guys simply swipe down. So these are the fixes that you can done, and guys thank you and have a nice day.